Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and back cameras on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2019 10.1 models. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the tablet and remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the tablet heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the screen. Once you create a small gap, insert a plastic cartridge tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, flip the LCD screen and disconnect the LCD connector plug. Now you can free the screen from the body. Next, eject the SIM tray. Next, undo 23 screws on the mid frame. Next, use a plastic cartridge tool or picker to create a gap between the frame. And then, using a cartridge tool, gently run through around the edges to release the plastic clips. Next, gently detach the mid frame from the back housing. Now can separate the back housing and the mid frame body. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working front camera from the board. The camera location is in the top middle. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working rear camera from the board. The camera location is the top left. Next, place and secure the new rear camera on the board. Next, place and secure the new front camera on the board. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, clamp the back housing to the mid-frame. Ensure all clips are secured. Next, insert 23 screws into the frame. Next, connect the LCD screen connector plug. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, secure the screen by adding adhesive. For this, can use pre-cut screen adhesive or B7000 glue. Next, slide the screen from the bottom to the top. Gently press on the edges to secure the screen on the frame. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tie the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.